walking down these beautiful jacaranda-lined streets in O'Brien's estate here in Hurstville. It's an absolutely glorious day. Welcome to 14 Neirbo Avenue in Hurstville. The facade beams with heritage and period features. Admittedly a little understated, however, as we enter the front door and into the home, it becomes very apparent that's where the understatement finishes. My clients, Cos and Sharon, have not only created a beautiful house, but over the last 26 years of children growing up and many memories, they have created a beautiful home. This could quite possibly be the best home I've had the pleasure of representing. We look forward to making this house your home.